Hello dear learners, I am Dr. Renuka Mainde, corporate nutritionist and counselor in IGNOU for their MSc DFSM course. Learners, today we will be learning about resveratrol. Let's begin. Plants containing resveratrol has been used efficiently in traditional medicine for over 2000 years. It can be found in some plants, fruits and derivatives such as red wine. Therefore, it can be administered by either consuming this natural product or taking nutraceutical pills. Resveratrol display a wide range of valuable properties, and this may be due to its molecular structure, which provides resveratrol with the ability to bind to many biomolecules. Among these properties, its activity as an anti-cancer, a platelet anti-aggregation agent and an antioxidant, as well as its anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic are worth highlighting. These beneficial biological properties have been widely studied in human and animal models both in vitro and in vivo. The objective of this module are, after studying this module, learners shall able to define and describe the chemistry of resveratrol, enlist the sources, discuss the effect of processing, describe metabolism and bioavailability of resveratrol. Let's begin. Resveratrol is a well-known biologically active compound synthesized by plants undergoing infectious or ionizing radiation. Renaud and de Largeril were the first to relate wine polyphenols such as resveratrol to potential health benefits attributed to regular and moderate wine consumption. Resveratrol has since received an increasing scientific attention, leading to investigation on its biological activity. Resveratrol was first isolated from white hellebore roots in 1940, then from Polygonum cuspidatum roots in 1963, a plant used in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine as an anti-inflammatory, anti-platelet agent. Learners, let's now see the chemistry of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a stilbenoid polyphenol possessing two phenol rings linked to each other by an ethylene bridge. The chemical structure of resveratrol is trans 3,5,4 trihydroxystilbene is identified in two isomeric form, cis and trans resveratrol. Resveratrol is present in dietary product as glycosylated form known as pissid. Learners, let's now learn about the sources. Resveratrol is found in grapes, wine, grape juice, peanut, cocoa and berries of Vaccinium species, including blueberry, bilberries and canberries. In grapes, resveratrol is found only in the skin. The amount of resveratrol in grape skin varies with grape cultivator, its geographic origin and exposure to fungal infection. The amount of fermentation time a wine spent in contact with grape skin is also an important determinant of its resveratrol content, because grape skin is removed early during the production process of white and rose wine. These wines generally contain less resveratrol than red wines. Therefore, because of variation between the type of wine, vintage and region, it is very difficult to provide accurate estimate of resveratrol content in thousands of wines from worldwide wineries. Yet, it appears that resveratrol content in wine is usually low. highly variable and unpredictable, and resveratrol is only minor compound in complete set of grape and wine polyphenols. The predominant form of resveratrol in grapes and grape juice is trans-resveratrol 3-O-beta glucoside, and wine contain significant amount of resveratrol glycans thought to be the result of sugar cleavage during fermentation. Learners, let's now begin with effect of processing on resveratrol. Trans resveratrol level in roasted peanut was reported to be less than in raw peanut, while another study reported that trans resveratrol level in raw blueberries were higher than in roasted blueberries. Let's now see the metabolism and bioavailability of resveratrol. Initial studies of the pharmacokinetics of trans resveratrol in human found only in traces of unmetabolized resveratrol in the plasma upon oral exposure of single trans resveratrol dose of 5 to 25 mg. Indeed, trans resveratrol appears to be well absorbed by human when taken orally, but its bioavailability is relatively low due to its rapid metabolism and elimination. Once absorbed, resveratrol is rapidly metabolized by conjugation to glucuronic acid or sulfate, forming resveratrol glucuronides sulfate or sulfoglucuronides. Sulfate conjugates are the major form of resveratrol metabolites found in plasma and urine in human. Initial studies found that administration of single oral dose of 25 mg of trans resveratrol to healthy volunteers resulted in peak blood concentration of total resveratrol around 60 minutes later at about 1.8 to 2 micromoles per liter, depending on whether resveratrol was administered in wine, vegetable juice or grape juice. A few studies have examined the influence of food matrix on resveratrol absorption or bioavailability. A study has reported that the bioavailability of trans resveratrol from red wine did not differ when wine was consumed with meal versus on an empty stomach. Yet in another study, the absorption of supplemental resveratrol was found to be delayed but not reduced by the presence of food in the stomach. A third study found that the bioavailability of supplemental resveratrol was reduced by the amount of fat in the diet, but not by co-administration of quercetin, another polyphenol or alcohol. Information about the bioavailability of resveratrol in human is important because most of the experimental research conducted to date has been preclinical, that is in vitro, exposing cells to resveratrol concentration up to 100 times greater than peak plasma concentration observed in human and in animal models given very high doses of resveratrol. While cells that line the digestive tract are exposed to unmetabolized resveratrol, other tissues are likely exposed to resveratrol metabolites. At present, a little is known about biological activity of resveratrol metabolites. Yet, if some tissues are capable of converting resveratrol metabolites back to resveratrol, stable resveratrol conjugates in tissue could serve as a pool in the body from which resveratrol might be regenerated. Let's conclude, learner. In this module, we have learned about chemical structure, effect of processing, source, metabolism and bioavailability of resveratrol. Resveratrol 3,5,4 trihydroxy transstilbene belongs to polyphenol. Stilbenoids group possessing two phenol rings linked to each other by an ethylene bridge. This natural polyphenol has been detected in more than 70 plant species, especially in grape, skin and seeds, and was found in discrete amount in red wines and various human food. It is a phytoalexin that acts against pathogen including bacteria and fungi.